Assalamu Alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome back to International Opportunity Hub. Today we will discuss about the Mediterranean Machine Learning Summer School program that is in Croatia. This will be from 8 to 12 September 2025. So this Mediterranean Machine Learning Summer School offers a focused 5-day program of keynotes, lecture and practical sessions led by experienced AI experts from all around the world. Participants will engage with state-of-the-art content and code and encouraged to optionally present their work during poster session. So the location and date, this 2025 edition of the Mediterranean Machine Learning Summer School will take place in Croatia in September. So the target audience consists primarily of doctoral students or exceptional master students as well as academic and practitioners from all around the world. The topics are computer vision, natural language processing, generative and diffusion model reinforcement learning, applied deep learning, neuroscience, ethics in machine learning, and much more. So you can explore this website. I'm going to apply for this program. Click on apply. The important dates are application will open on 24 February till 28 March 2025. So the registration fees for master and PhD students is free. There's no registration fee for postdoc and faculty members €200, for industry member €500. Scholarship. We might be able to provide a limited number of scholarship to working students to cover registration fees, accommodation and travel depending on funds availability. Application evaluation process will be motivation, your education, research interest and practical experience, community involvement and outreach activities. So you can check here. I'm going to apply for this program. Click on application form. My dear friends, this is totally free for students who are in master and doctoral degree, and industry members can also apply for this summer school program in Croatia. So your email address, your first name, last name, and your current status, your research experience, your motivation to applying for M2Well summer school, your CV and your final grades, your country of study, your gender identity, then go to next option. So my dear friends, there are total 4 pages. So you have to complete this first page, then second, third and fourth page. And after that you can simply submit your application form. So my dear friends, avail this opportunity if you want to apply for this summer school program that is in Croatia. If the given topics is related to your interest, then you can apply for this program. So avail this opportunity and also share this amazing opportunity with your other friend and circle. Thank you so much guys for your support. Take care. Allah Hafiz.